Hi Pranutan, how are you doing? Finally,
I'm good. How are
we
you?
got you.
Yeah, there was some issue, some technical stuff.
Okay. So Pranutan, you're working in Helmet. Tell us something about your role in the movie and like how are you prepping up for the role? We just had an interaction with Apar Shakti yesterday, and he seems to be quite happy. So what do you have to say on that?
Yeah, I mean, Helmet has been a fantastic experience. It's such a different role from what I've done in Notebook. I always wanted to do that role. Hi, Namashi, you're distracting me. Okay. So, yeah, I always wanted to do something like that. And when Helmet came along, I was more than happy to join such amazing actors and our crew. They are fantastic, all of them. So, yeah, I'm very excited. I had a blast shooting the film.
And apart from this, what are you working on, Pranutan? Apart
I'm
from
not
Helmet,
allowed. I'm not allowed to say.
you're not
But when
allowed
I'm
to
allowed,
say.
like, yeah.
Pranadhan, what do you have to say about the social media trolls which keep on happening on a daily basis for the actors and even for journalists for that matter? It's not like, only the actors are suffering, even, journalists get trolled a lot. So what do you have to say on that?
Social media trolls, I think, should be given zero attention because it is somebody behind the anonymity of a laptop screen. They don't deserve my attention. I just wish them well because they really need it, and I genuinely view it like that. I'm just, I'm just happy that I actually feel this way. I'm not just saying it. I actually feel that they really need our good wishes.
A lot of things are happening currently in the country. There are farmers' protests which is taking place.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on the same?
So yeah, I really hope that their grievances are addressed because they.
Somewhere the protest is happening. Of course, a lot of celebs are also tweeting about it, but just tweeting and not understanding the entire issue doesn't help. So what are your
Yeah.
thoughts on the same? What do you have to say on that?
I mean, obviously, I think tweeting about anything at all that you've not understood is not advisable because you are also a public figure and you must have your facts in place. And if you're asked by the media about something and you don't know, then you should be honest enough to say it. So yeah, I mean, get your facts right is applicable to every situation. Definitely, yeah.
And also, Sushant Singh Rajput case. Since the time that case has happened, somewhere the the way celebs are treated. Also, even if they are shooting or even if they are tweeting something, this leads to a lot of trolling on that. So, what do you want to say on that? Like that case. Of course, like it is quite a sad thing that he passed away. But like
Yeah.
celebs like get trolled to write anything on this and on nepotism. What are your thoughts on that?
No, as I always say, as I told you before, also trolls will happen. They're bitter people. They need our attention to feel about themselves, and hence I wish them a lot of love and luck because they need it. As far as trolls are concerned, I mean, they can make anything negative. They're toxic. Their nature is like that. So I feel trolls will happen irrespective. And, we can't stop living. We can't start being so conscious about what somebody who's so bitter thinks. They're not part of our cipher, so let it go. You can't take everything so seriously, especially people you don't know and have nothing to do with your life. So no, you be a little mature and just ignore it, and that's about it. But it's going to happen. As far as nepotism is concerned, what do I say? I think you and I have spoken about it so many times before. Everybody's journey is different. I chose to start auditioning in 2016. I used to not say that I'm from a film family. I used to go give my auditions. I got my break 2.5 years later after a 5-hour audition.
So yes, as you say that trolls will happen and like this will go on, but like as as talking about your own journey that you have started on your own, but somewhere do you think that being a star kid that also affects in terms of getting projects? Do you think that you, because even as star kids you might be having your own struggles, so what do you have to say on that?
Yeah, I mean, people will generalize. No, it's the same thing. Like they'll say what they have to say. You won't correct every single person, but I know the truth, and that's what matters to me.
I would like to know your journey during this COVID-19 because it has not ended. The good news is that, of course, vaccines have come, but still, the virus exists. So what has been your journey throughout this, and what one message you would like to put across to the fans out there?
Yeah, well, I think initially it was very difficult. But the one thing that gave us all a lot of strength is that we were all in it together. It was like literally the entire world was feeling those same emotions. And that somewhere gives you a lot of courage, when you feel that, okay, all of us are in this together and we all have to cope with it. It's not really that specific. So yeah, I think that just gave me a lot of courage and positivity, because one day you're feeling low and then you pick up strength from the people around you, because everyone's feeling that way or they felt that way, so they've dealt with it and they help you, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's my greatest learning, that when you're in it together, you get so much strength.